Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Infiniti. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass and window defogger.